home fire campaign, we hope to impact several neighborhoods with lots and lots of homes. We have 2,500 different smoke detectors that we're going to hope to install across 800 homes. And we hope to impact this community with fire education, with hurricane preparedness, and home installation of fire detectors.
Install smoke alarms in homes that either have no working smoke alarms or don't have any smoke alarms present. And this is really, really important because studies show that just having one working smoke alarm in a home can reduce the risk of dying in a home fire by 50%. So the homes that we go to for the home fire campaign are those homes that have no working smoke alarm. And we know that in the Louisiana region alone, we have saved 15 lives through home fire campaign efforts. And this partnership with Southern Baptists and World Changers allows us to install smoke alarms in homes that certainly need them.